Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about close account in LinkedIn. So guys, for closing your account on LinkedIn, you have to go on your picture icon. Here you will see settings and privacy. You have to click on settings and privacy. Then you have to go on account preferences. Just simply go down and down and down, and here you will see in the last line close account. You have to click on close account, and once you click on close account, then you have to click on continue, and here you have to define the reason for closing the account. You have to click on I have a duplicate account, or you can choose one of them. So once you choose your right one, then you have to click on next. So guys, here you have to write your password and then you have to click on done. But for now I don't want to close my account, and that is why I'm not going to continue with it. So this video is for you. If you want to close your account, then these are the simple steps you have to follow and you can close your account. So guys, this is how to close account on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.